Hey everybody, doing a DVD unboxing of Monster High Frights Camera Action. Brand new DVD that's coming out. A lot of new characters are on it from that series of dolls. I forget what their names are right now, but I think one's Honey Swamp, something like that. As you can see, some of them are on the back there. It's going to be a good one. My daughter's really excited for this as well. Come with a nice slip there. Slip cover. It's raised. There's special features of 3 fantastic animated shorts and more. Just the book showing stuff you can get. Monster High in there. There's some of the dolls that are going to be in here. Oh, there's a Freaky Fusion coming as well. DVD. Coming fall 2014. And all the ones down there are already out. And there's a disc. Nice red disc. So if your daughter's into Monster High, you should definitely check this out, because she will love it, I'm sure. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody.